That was crazy.
There's a puzzle round every corner, through every door. In every riddle, there must be something more.
Morning, Carrie.
Morning.
Making me coffee?
Yeah.
Are you making me coffee?
Kind of.
Oh man.
The lazy way.
What'd you dream?
Yeah. I dreamt about people trying to wake me up and me stopping them.
I'm here in Salt Lake City, Utah today, and just recovering from my first day of skiing. My body is a little bit in shock from all of the exertion that we endured yesterday, just non-stop skiing. Today is day 2 of skiing. We are going to the world-renowned Snowbird. It's so funny, I actually have a special place in my heart for this ski resort because when I was younger, I read this book called 7 Summits, and Dick Bass, who actually wrote the book, he actually climbed all 7 summits, opened Snowbird, and I've always dreamed about climbing like Everest and McKinley. Anyway, there's like 7 of the tallest peaks, and as like a young 20-year-old, I've always wanted to climb them. Now that I have 4 daughters, I don't think that's gonna happen, but we can always dream, right?
And they were mad at us because someone had birthday plans. Ready for this, Carrie?
I don't want to be cold.
Hopefully it's long enough. You gotta get him out. Cheers.
Sick and tired of hearing all these noises in my head. I can't seem to make them go away.
Peruvian tunnel.
Yeah, I'm losing faith in myself. Afraid to die
Snowbird is just such a tougher course.
down. Pick me up and carry me home to my heart of flesh into a heart of stone. Building nothing to ourselves, then dancing circles in your sick and tired of hearing all these noises in my head. And I can't seem to make them go away. My dear, sick and tired of hearing you say how I love you, dear. When you gonna get up and go away? Woo! And I'm losing faith in myself.
Sophie Isabella, I'm hot dogging it. I'm hot dogging it. I'm hot dogging it. Ah. That was an exhilarating run here at Snowbird. Probably one of my best runs yet. Ready to head back up? That mid-gad was pretty dope. Was it? Yeah, I enjoyed it. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. We're gonna eat at this restaurant they have at the very top of the mountain. Cheers, boys. Oh shit, that's ranch. God, I miss Texas. Oh man.
If you feel that you have a need, a place for your soul to breathe, then come up here with me. We'll dance atop this burning building. They say you'll never find truth within this life, but I say that's a lie, 'cause I found it when I looked in your eyes. Yeah, I found it when I looked in your eyes.
Skiing was super awesome today at Snowbird. Picked up this really rad vest here, all the colors, right? It's crazy. We start off the day with a bunch of phone calls from the restaurants because
gas was not getting to the equipment. We couldn't get it started. We tried so hard to open up on this snow day that we had in Dallas, Texas, and it was just crazy. We did everything we could. Cooked, slept at the restaurant overnight just so they could be there to open up. And we ran into that unforeseen circumstance. What's really beautiful is my best friend who owns a restaurant as well. That's why I'm here skiing. You know, he had, you know, bricks, like his building fell down during the snowstorm, and like for me to be venting and like stressing out over my business and nothing for me to do because like I leave town for 3 days, and to see him like going through those same problems, like it's like comforting to have like a brother in arms having to like fight through all these difficult situations, but nothing that neither of us have handled before. And we just went through COVID, so we can handle this little small micro snowstorm that got thrown at us. It's just crazy, like trying to have a little vacation, you know. We don't do it very often, and the snow hits.
Checking out this brewery in downtown Salt Lake City after a long day of skiing.
Gasoline. How I'm supposed to feel these dreams when my heart's pumping out jealousy? Could this be the end of me? Keep asking you to intercede, but all I feel inside is a scared little boy who's afraid.
We're not in Texas anymore, y'all. And then make sure that you're overage too. Ow!